Hello students, in this video I will tell you about control statement. Okay, control statement. This is you have already studied in your previous class. Okay, I'm just revising this point, control statement. Okay, the control statement, actually this is just a statement which is used to control our execution control. Okay, this is basically divided into two types. The first one is branching and the second is looping. The first is branching and the second is looping. You know very well about this branching and looping. I'm just repeating, that's why I'm telling these points very fast. The first one is branching and looping. Okay, branching, you know, the branching is divided again into basic two categories. The first is if or if else, and switch. Okay, the branching, the statement has two basic statements. The first one is if else and the second is switch case. And the second, looping statements, looping control statements also contains three basic statements in Java. The first one is while, the second is do while, and the third is for. It means in branching we will use two statements, if else and switch case, and in looping we will use three statements, while, do while, and for. Okay, in previous class you have already studied these statements. All these statements you have already studied. Okay, one by one I'm just telling these points, or I'm just revising these points. Okay, the first I'm going to tell about the if else statement. Okay, you know, this if else statement is used to test a condition. If test a condition, and if that condition is true, then a true part will execute, otherwise false part will execute. Okay, how can we check and execute the parts? Okay, just use if, this is a keyword, then test a condition, okay, and after that curly bracket, it shows the body of if, it means true body. Okay, then close the bracket, it means true body is closed here, and the else, false body. Okay, this is called body of if. Body of if means true body, and this is called body of else, means false body. Okay, here you can see there is a condition, there will be a condition. If this condition is true, then this body will execute, otherwise this body will execute. Okay, if condition is true, always we will say about true. If it is true, then this body will execute. I'm saying if it is true, then this body will execute. If it is not true, I'm saying if it is not true, it means not true means false. If it is not true means false, then this else body will execute. Okay, this is the basic structure of if else, and there are some basic types of if else, like nested if else and ladder if else if. Okay, first I'm telling this I'm going to tell you an example of this if else, and example means a program. Okay, I'm going to tell you a program using this if else statement. Okay, the example will be in next video. Okay, thank you.